Hello everyone and welcome back to These Things. In this video, I'm going to talk about AppSumo's lifetime deals because these deals are particularly dedicated to those who are starting out on YouTube. As you can see here, AppSumo's team sat down and came up with these 14 tools that you can do for creating, editing, launching, and optimizing your channel. So these are the things that you can use, and with all of them, you get lifetime deal. Some of them are already familiar to me because I'm using them already, and I'll be showing you that in this video itself. So the first one here you can see is BigVoo. BigVoo is a great tool for those who are new to YouTube and are not comfortable with the scripts. Even I am not comfortable with the scripts. I tend to forget words, but a teleprompter like this can help me big time. I can set teleprompter in one side and I can read it from there and see the camera. I will never forget anything, and my speech in the video will particularly be relevant to what the content is. I won't be forgetting or going out of focus. So this is what it can do for you. You can see here. I love it and might give it a try in coming days. So this is starting at $69 and it is a lifetime deal. You can see here. The regular price is $9.48. This could be a great deal for you if you are starting out on YouTube. I'll be leaving the link in description box. You can go ahead and check them out. SendFox. This one is the tool that I'm already using. This is a newsletter tool. I can send newsletter to 5,000 people. I upgraded recently. Here you can see inside the billing. This is my plan. Here you can see. I don't have any SendFox branding, and I have HTML editor, best sending server, optional double opt-in, and 100,000 monthly sends. So this is what I can get by paying just $49. I upgraded in November 2021. Here you can see, and it is working so nicely for me that I can't tell you more enough. So this one is particularly a great tool for me. And if you want a dedicated video like how it works, how the flow of SendFox is, then let me know in comment section. I'll create one. Now let's go back and see the other tools. This one is Sleek Bio, and this one is only $19. And with this you can create one beautiful simple link for your social media bio that showcases everything you have to offer. You can read that out. I'll be leaving the main link to this one in my description box. Do check that out from there. And then we have easy video making. Do you need video content? This is the online course you need. So you can take this course if you want, and it's just $29. It is also a lifetime deal. Okay. Another tool that I loved in this collection is Videos to Article. I have used this tool. One of my friends uses it and he recommended it me to buy now. But right now I'm not interested in buying, but I highly recommend that you do take a look if you have a website. YouPost helps you create articles from your videos. So whenever you post a video, this tool will be generating an article based on that, and you can publish that article on your website. So this will help in both ways. You will be able to do a video as well as an article on your website. This could be a great tool for you. YeetDL. This is the easiest and fastest way to download and convert YouTube videos. And then you have some freebies as well. Noah Kagan's YouTube growth course is also there. YouTube for beginners. Social Book Builder. Grow your YouTube channel with easy to use tools. And then this is the YouTube SEO Simplified. Here you can see the YouTube SEO Simplified system. Rank your YouTube videos higher in search and earn more money from your channel with the YouTube's SEO Simplified system. You don't need to have millions of subscribers, you don't need to spend hours doing keyword research, and you don't need to worry about how much competition there is on your topic. You will learn how to find keywords you can rank for in less than 5 minutes. I highly recommend that you do take a look at this one as well. It is only available at $47 at the moment. You do get updates onto this course, and whenever those updates are added here, you will get them directly when you have the access to this lifetime deal. So these are the tools that I wanted to share with all of my subscribers if they are starting out their YouTube channel. This can help them create, edit and optimize the new YouTube channel so that it can reach the 1,000 subscribers benchmark and 4,000 hours of content in a year. If you have any questions, let me know in comment section. I'll try my level best to answer them. Have a good one. Thank you.